kala kamchong apam ngata daily World Environment Day mion haira awareness in nga soda thing wrong taraka lingsang haira. Sarkar na red kami minimum wage shur khavai boda tribal youth council Manipur na Jurachandpur Medical College li representation misang haira. Ringyaophi aja Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pamitli pau bing may saina anang roomsa. Okothui we apam ngada tay daling soda Ukhrul district nala World Environment Day mion haira. Kangacha timlon environment we aman kasak paning kuida ngak kui khavai oding rut kuirant paning ka kui jitaida World Environment Day ang ranangi ngada tayda kui ka haira. Environment awareness maramli DFO leishram kitla MFS na take a kui hangam. Yariwi alungli responsibility paninga kui jung mega high take kui at the DFO jinahanga. The rigapong ngale kamin wika sat ngapangda kaletam hitharan la World Environment Day mion kavai kangarand la request teraka sampangachi. Zingshat lunglila ningrin leilak ina sada khalei inspiring sayada DFO jinahangam. Ukhrul Forest Division atanda World Environment Day 2025 kamayon ang ranangi Ukhrul Forest Divisions na mini secretariat complex hamlekongli kwekaya Ukhrul Forest Division na District Administration Zonal Education Office Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission Krisil Foundation Ajivika Center for Financial Literacy, Manipur Innovative Society, Jasami Village Council, Tangkhul Katamnau Saklong, Jasami Student Union, Homi Katamnau Longkala, Shiri Youth Club Li, Ningshiya World Environment Day 2025, Kamyon ang ranangi apam nadatay dali kayakha. Kamataya ang ranangi Ukhrul Forest Division na Mini Secretariat Complex Li, kayakha hili ADM DC in charge Poli Makan, CS la wazangam Sustainable Development wuivang Sarkarna sada khalei maram hang chithe kala environmental initiative li yarina katomtheilak ADM jina kasat sangam Waste Management Responsible sem mikhavai eco-friendly apongli katomtheilak kala plastic kamakhaw suida khavai community nathanda clean up drives sa khavai kasat sangam Zadi o Ukhrul Taimei badant nala environment kangak maramli thaitang may nga sakvai kasatmi ngarokta katamnau bing akamawi environmental champions nga sakvai kokasada katomtheilak kasatsang ang ranangi jili CEO ADC David Kashungnau STO Jasami P Dunado STO Chingai Roland Ningshen kala officials in a staff bing wazanga Ukhrul Higher Secondary School, Top Junior Aided School Kala, Model High School Wikatam now, Thumra Program Jili Vazanga. Ang ranangi Jili Jambra, Tuja, Jerry Jackfruit Jamun Kala, Unito Taimachi Shakani, Mak Yaumi Haira. Shankar Plantation Drive National Highway 202 kilometers Pangacha Sami Eina, Akash Bridge Alungli Kwikaya. Chili courses, cherry, jamun kapale house seedlings, shapanga tumra, lingsang haira, forest fringe area lila tingrong, lingsanga, ang ranangi Forest Department na STO Jasami P Dunado MSRLM, Krisil Foundation, Ajivika Center for Financial Literacy, Jasami Village Council kala Jasami Student Union lingarumta kwekakana. Ukhrul Forest Division na MSRLM Ningshiya tingrong lingkasang kala awareness ang ranangi apam madi humpung kazipung humpung aungtang kasomtang kala luyay nautang li kwikakana ngayi kapung li ang ranangi je Tangkhul katamnau saklong Ningshiya kwikada jili youth volunteers kala environmentalist tumra wazanga atumna plastic pollutions maram awareness sessions essay ngahan kala community tree plantation strive kwikaya Manipur Innovative Society linga soda ngayi kapung belt lila tree plantation drive via Forest Department na Shiri Youth Club linga soda plantation kala clean up activities kwikada jilimi mag shiga shirakuya Home Shongla Forest Department na Home Katam now Longling Soda, Ram now being me Hangpanga Zangaka awareness Kamigala, NH 102A Ukrul Doloida to be Shongfuli Tingrong, Lingasang Angranangi Kwikaya. Kilometers Panga Shikalungli, Tyrant, Tolhau, Wild Olive, Pungton, Seedlings, Shatruk Lingsangachi. Sakla kahai atam hitharan na Ukruli World Environment Day, Ningsang laki na miyon kahai hi Matek kamay atam kwira kawai yariwi ningasang jitaya. Sada khalei hi environment nga kakui hi sa khangai ningkachanga thishuda kasama ningla makasa masa kapay na da darkar sa pulung kahai na gaji yari lungli paning kakui chungmay kahai thaya. Manipur Sarkar na Ratmi Kahai Minimum Wage Shur Kawai Board Tribal Youth Council Manipur TYCM General Headquarters na Churachandpur Medical College CMC representations Misangairam. Maram wuivang CMC with Director Gala Administrator li Aya Misangam. Churachandpur Medical College na non-teaching staff Tumrata Chishat daily wage basis in a Zinkum Aka wuivang Kanghot Shokachi. College Chui notification Chili Office Assistant we 273 days, laboratory assistantly 248 days, attendantly 225 days, caretakerly 225 days, sweeper 225 days in a Shokachi. College Chui notification Chili Office Assistant we 273 days, laboratory assistant lead 248 days, attendant lit 225 days, caretaker lit 225 days, sweeper 225 days in a Shokachi. Ka Manipur Sarkar na Jijakami, Mayo Direct Panga 2025, Manipur Gazette number 389 dated 10th March 2025 Atishuda, non-scheduled minimum daily wage revised Sakahaina. Chiwati Shuda unskilledly 400 days, semi-skilled 440 days, skilledly 480 days, Miran Kachina. Government of Manipur na Ratmi Kahai makasure che potential workers pingwi mashun kala norms and ordersly matung makan kahai na da TYCM na hanghairam. Chirada sada wage rate che ngajay mikhavai TYCM na pohairam. Nishali Kangasung Paikar, Kuira Shum Kahai Ung Tangkhul Regions WTR na Nishari Kalazam Tukuida Sakayang Mihair. WTR na Kam Kakui Chi Brown Sugar Soap Case Taruk, Kaine Kokta Trata Panga All Mong Ram Kala Whiskey Akong Shakani Shika Beer Case Taralang da Zanga. Zam Kala Nishari Chi Achawan 5th Edition Shirili Festival We Tukuida Aya Sakayang Kamina Chi. Tangkhul mi yur la tangkhul ungram hiva Manipur li vareshi how pok mi kharenga sara higata otsakhi masang yilak kachina da WTR CAO Samson na ningai khama phongshakam WTR na sada khalei hili yarina la katom mikhavai nga kaulu shit haira vareshi ka sada makamashung liya anga jisada WTR CAO Samson na hangjipuna. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur with Class 12 Improvement Examination 2025 with original mark sheets aju with direct chikothang mishok pokhaura. Council with Secretary na Jijakamiati Shuda Higher Secondary Class 12 Improvement Examination 2025 with original statement of marks G respective institutions private candidates pingli hortang direct chikothang ina office early mishok pokhaura. Concerned head of institutions pingna kajacha shu original statement of marks je gazip khui khawai hanghairam private candidates pingna admissions card singla council office li khuibaira kamjong shongla district administrations natanda world environment day miyon haira pit plastic pollutions kajitu kuili paisin the environment simiksho kamyon ji kamjong district deputy commissioner rangnamei rang peter IAS natanda district level officers district administration officials kala staff CSOs kala kadam naulong pingla zangam angra nangi chuwe akaya kasada kamjong mini secretariat family thingrong anau shakathum kada lingsang haira World Environment Day je Kamjong District we apam with the day dali mayon ngorok hairam. Ek Pier Ma Ke Nam 2.2 we Akaya Kasada Divisional Forest Office Kamjong Kala Zadi O Kamjong na worship Trada Pangale Plantation Drive Kwikahira. Plantation Drive Chiwe Zingni worship Bingwe campuses li Tingrong Anao Tinka Shapanga Ling Sanghaira da DIO na Pao Mi. Plantation Drive Chile Kamjong li Kale worship Ngadate the Wikatam Nao Ping Kala Chishud Me Ping na Shirokuya. World Environment Zimiksho Kamyon Ling Room the Manipur Sarkarna Women for Trees campaign Hapokaira. Manipur with Down Planning Department Kala Manipur Urban Development Agency MUDA na Ngarum the Amrut Mitra Initiative Women for Trees Aya launch Sayang campaign Haukopok Angranangye How Ground Children Park Ward number 15 Imphal West Kwikada Mahut Principal Secretary RK Dinesh Singh na Kahang campaign Ji Amrut Mitra Wezingli Indian Sarkar Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs na kasali kashurna. Ajagom Haukapok campaign Ji phrase Kareli Tingrong 100 crores kada lingsang ada Mahut Principal Secretary na hanga. Kala Women for Trees campaign we phrase kakani ayay na hapokta pay kajangwe dangda alungli nationwide plantation drives kahaka kwikara dalayachi. Amrut 2.0 we State Mission Directorate Kala campaign phrase Kare we De Num Azingli Achagajang Site Identification Kasali Self-Help Group SHG members Ping na Shirokuimiya da Mayakangai Pongshokam. RK Dinesh Nakahang Women for Trees campaign Wazingli Lingasang Tingrong Saikoru Geodek Salaga Tingrong Ji Matada Haksang Kavai Yangsang Mira. Campaign Ji Imphal City Nambul Moirangala Mayang Imphali Tingrong Anao Shakani Hangmati Lingsang Kawai Rindale Pakamay Madekame Planet Wuivang Tingrong Lingasang Li Saikorana Shirokui Kawai Mahut Principal Secretary RK Dinesh Singh na Kasatsangam Ang ranang Jili Swatch Bharat Missions Urban Manipur we Azingli Imphal City Li Cleanliness Drive Zatkahai Videola Jitayam Director IPR and Mahut Secretary Nongom Atam Singh nala Mahut Kala NGOs Ping na Swachda hi Seva campaigns li Sakahai Maram Hang Jitaya. Sangai Pro Kapui Village li Sakahai li Masot Mida Ram Jili Shorkar we Kangachont Mazangla Ramnau Ping Kalatana Tarda Kahai video Jitaya Ram Jawi Otsak Tam Kwikavai Kasat Sangam. RK Dinesh Singh Nongom Udam Singh and ST Tokchom Bankijendra Singh, Corporator Ward number 15, IMC Atumla Tingrong Lingasang Jili Shirakuya. Atumna Ponda How Crown Children Park Inspect Saya Kala SAG members Pingli Ward Yangmichingda. India Webam with the daily educational institutions Pingna Tingrong Gror Tra Lingsang Kawai campaign Hapokaira. Campaign Jaya Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan na Haupokmiya. Ek Pier Ma Ke Nam phrase kakani Haukopokli Ngasunda Pradhan na Kahang 2070 li Net Zero Kala Sustainable Development Goals SDG Sampangkavai Rakhara Thought Hili Ngakuimi Palungra Nationwide Tingrong Gror Traling Sankavai Rinda Kala Ek Pier Ma Ke Nam 2.0 campaign hi yari movement ngasa khawai lungsang mewara gaji hanga. Manipur Maramli Congress President Malik Arjun Karke Kala Lok Sabha leaders of opposition Rahul Gandhi na Manipur Party Katana Bingli Krajan Sahira. AICC headquarters Qatar Indira Bhavan Tli Pamda Kazib Chili Congress General Secretary Organizations KC Vinugopal Zanga Anagahang Manipuri normalcy Kwira Kawai Takta political solutions Kwikara Darkar Sahira. Party to Manipur in charge Sabda Giri Ulaka Kala PCC President Kesham Mekhajendra Singh Kala State Week Katana Bingla Kazib Chili Zangada PTI Pauli Sampanga. Manipur athletes being the 2025 Moscow's Wushu Star Championship medals Trada Thrukwida Mai Kaya Sampangaya. Ngahan Chili Lai Ton jumped Lin Toingambina Junior Curls Taijukwan Kala Taijujan evently gold medals Kani Sampangam. Hanja bumped Langlen Dombi Tang jumped Jollicent Khangjam Christina Kala Tangjam Wangtoila gold medals Akarip Sampangam. National Dalei State Athletes na silver Tharuk bronze Mati Sangmia. H. Langlem Tombi Gala Tangjam Jolicent na currently gold Sampang. Kangjam Christina na sub junior girls Taijigent event li Maikaya Sampangam. National team Jili athletes Rada Katum Gada Zangam. Shang Lakpam Jaubi Devi na Shinawi coach Sada Zangdale. Ngahanji Akamatarik Shinitang Kupsanga. Let reader Ajawi Kamadaya Baubing. Ukrul Gala Kamjong Apam with the daily World Environment Day Mion Hira, awareness in a soda thing wrong, Taraka Lingsang Hira. Sharkar Red Kami minimum wage, Shurkavai Boda Tribal Youth Council Manipurna, Jurachanpur Medical College Li representation Misang Hira. Ajawi Bao Healing Janghaira, Bao another clay Nathum saikorali, Ringyaophi Kala Kamahai, Zimishong Saserana.